tight space can turn a routine forklift job into a dangerous one. Hi, I'm Katie. Depending on how a facility or job site is laid out, there are times when a forklift has to be operated in tight or crowded spaces. Working in these areas increases the risk for both the operator and the people nearby if the right precautions aren't taken.
Train, track, remind. Train, track, and remind.
Train, track, and remind.
Safety training doesn't have to be expensive or a pain. With GotSafety Lite, you get unlimited access to over 2,000 safety videos in English and Spanish for just $10 a month. That's it. No fine print, just solid, straightforward training. Need a little more? Step up to our full GotSafety app. It's a powerful learning management system that lets you train, track, and remind automatically. Not to mention, it's simple to use. Already dropped serious cash on your own LMS? We will make you start over. Just plug in our content and keep rolling. And if there's a video you need that we don't have, we'll make it for you for free. Yep, that's how sure we are you're gonna love GotSafety. 3 ways to train, 1 place to do it all. GotSafety. Train, track, and remind. In this lesson, we'll talk about the hazards that come with operating a forklift in tight spaces, the personal protective equipment that may be required, and safe work practices that can help reduce the risk when space is limited. Operating a forklift in a tight space increases the chance of something going wrong, even during routine moves. One common risk is striking stationary objects when driving forward or backing up. In narrow areas, walls, racks, equipment, or shelving can be closer than they appear, leaving very little room to correct a mistake. Pedestrians are also at risk in tight spaces. People may be walking in front of or behind the forklift, and limited visibility can make it harder to see someone until it's too late. Crowded work areas make communication and awareness even more important. Another serious hazard is tipping the forklift. Sharp turns or moving too fast in a confined area can shift the forklift's center of gravity, increasing the risk of a tip over, especially when carrying a load. Load stability is also a concern when space is limited. Loads that are not properly aligned on the forks or that are placed unevenly on shelving can shift, topple, or fall. In tight spaces, there's often little room to recover once a load starts to move, which can lead to injuries or damage. When operating a forklift in a tight space, wearing the right personal protective equipment helps reduce the risk of injury. In close quarters, there's less room to react if something goes wrong, so PPE plays an important role in protecting you. This may include a hard hat to protect against falling or shifting loads, along with high visibility vests, jackets, or other high visibility clothing, so others can easily see you in crowded or confined areas. Steel-toed shoes or boots are also important, since working in tight spaces increases the risk of foot injuries from heavy equipment or falling materials. Before putting any PPE on, take a moment to inspect it. Look for signs of wear, damage, or anything else that could keep it from doing its job properly. If you find worn or damaged PPE, report it to your supervisor and do not wear it. Using damaged PPE can put you at risk instead of protecting you. Operating a forklift in a tight space starts with having the right person behind the controls. Only trained and certified operators should be driving a forklift, especially in confined areas. Forklifts should never be operated under the influence of drugs or alcohol. If you're taking prescription medication that could affect your alertness, reaction time, or judgment, that's something to discuss with your supervisor before operating a forklift in tight spaces. Knowing your forklift matters just as much as knowing the space. You need to be familiar with the size of the forklift, its turning radius, and its load limits before moving into a confined area. If you're unsure whether your forklift can safely operate in a specific tight space, stop and talk with your supervisor. When possible, using the right type of forklift for the space can make a big difference. Narrow aisle or compact forklifts are often better suited for tight areas than full-size equipment. Before operating, the forklift should be inspected according to the manufacturer's instructions and your company's policies and procedures. If you find worn or damaged parts, report them to your supervisor. A forklift that does not pass inspection should not be operated. Planning ahead is critical in tight spaces. Take time to plan your route before you start moving. Inspect the area to look for hazards such as debris on the floor, damaged flooring, tight clearances, or anything else that could interfere with safe operation. Any hazards you identify should be reported according to company procedures, and when possible, debris or objects should be removed from aisles before operating. Speed control becomes even more important in confined areas. Forklifts should be operated at lower speeds when space is limited. If you're unsure about speed restrictions in tight spaces at your facility or job site, check with your supervisor. Pedestrian awareness is another key factor. People may be walking in front of or behind the forklift, and just as you may not see them, they may not see you. Follow company procedures to alert pedestrians to your presence. When available, mirrors or cameras should be used to help spot people or objects behind you. In some situations, using a spotter can help prevent collisions with stationary objects or pedestrians. When a spotter is used, communication should be continuous and clear. Be mindful of your turning radius at all times. Leave as much space as possible between the forklift, stationary objects, and pedestrians. Loads should always be properly balanced and aligned on the forks and shelving, following the manufacturer's instructions and company procedures. When moving in tight spaces, keep loads as low as possible to maintain stability. Turns should be taken smoothly and at a steady speed. Tight turns taken too fast increase the risk of tipping the forklift. When appropriate, using 3-point turns can help you maneuver more safely in confined areas. Wrapping it up, there will be times on a facility or job site when operating a forklift in a tight space is unavoidable. Working in these areas brings its own set of challenges and risks that aren't always present in open spaces. Wearing the right personal protective equipment and operating the forklift according to your company's policies and procedures helps reduce the chance of accidents or incidents when space is limited. If you ever have questions or concerns about operating a forklift in a tight area, stop and talk with your supervisor before moving forward. Thanks for riding along. When space gets tight, keep your moves forklift smooth. When space is limited, awareness and control matter most. Follow us on social media for more safety content.